The Ecomax 603 is probably our fastest selling hood type dishwasher. So you've got a nice wraparound handle here, as you can see, which makes it easy for the operator, whether they're working from either side of the machine or the middle of the machine in a corner operation. So it's very simple to lift the hood up. You've got a four-sided hood on this German-built machine, which encloses the steam, so it saves the expense of having a condense canopy above it, which is a fantastic saving. Okay, you've got a rack insert holder here, which lifts up, which you can use to lift up and down and get access to anything that might have fallen into the wash tank. You can also use it to put a bowl on. If you don't use the racks, you can put a bowl on there if you've got a mixer bowl or something like that. This particular model's got a built-in softener again, which gives you that security that your machine's not going to scale up. Control panel on the front there, nice and simple to use. Exactly the same as previous models and very consistent with all the Ecomax machines. So when you lift the hood down, that will operate the machine. The machine will run its cycle and then it will finish and you lift it up. If you're not using the machine, it does have a temporary position there for saving features, so you don't lose all the heat out of the machine. So that's a little position there on the hood, and again up. It's an easy to operate machine. It's a 1 minute cycle on the right services, which gives you a great speed. Nice powerful wash pump in there, give you great results. There's a faster cycle and a longer cycle for anything that's a bit more soiled. Generally cycle 1 on the right services will be a 1 minute cycle. Once your machine's reached temperature and it's ready to go, you lift the hood up, you slide your rack in, when the machine's ready, you pull the hood down, which will then start the machine on its cycle, and it will wash, rinse, and then when you've finished, the light will stop flashing, machine's ready. Lift the hood up for your next cycle, pull the rack out.